Welcome back to K&L Farms. I'm Ken. I hope this video finds you well. As you can see, I've got my temporary heat source for my garage and my workshop for this winter because it's going to get cold pretty quick. And I did a full video on this. I'll leave at the end of this one. You can go take a look if you'd like. But now that I've got my heat source in here, because it's going to get cold, we got about a foot of snow here last week. But I got the driveway cleared out and it's starting to warm up now. So the driveway's taken care of. Got the heat source taken care of. I'm going to spin you around, show you some of the developments inside the my workshop, woodshop area, and then we're going to go on to try and get some more OSB on the wall. Okay, it gives you an idea of the workshop, and I'm going to give you a glimpse right here where I paper side up. I know I need 6 of these. 20 inches long. 1, 2, 3, there's 6 of these. But that first bay is narrower. So that was kind of an experiment to see how it works. Get that stick I had. I just take a stick, at least the width of the piece of insulation. Started just a few weeks ago, what it looked like at the beginning compared to what it is now. The other thing I was going to mention to you is I've seen my share of wood shops that are a lot more impressive than mine, but it's taken us years to get to the point where we can actually get consolidated, a workbench and all that type of thing. And then I'm going to show you, this is just nail holder, French cleats in the back. The last developments we did in here were actually sandpaper holder and the sander on the top. We did this nail rack for our hammers. And some of our sorted rulers are on there. Got a organizer for our paper and our pens and our utility knives. And these are the last 3 products that we actually made for the workshop. And here in a little bit, I'm going to put some more OSB on the wall. I've got already got the insulation up, the vapor on, but I haven't got all the OSB. And I'm trying to get from behind that drill press. I don't know if you can see it or not. Behind that drill press, all the way to the door. I've got all the insulation on, and as I just mentioned, all the barrier vapor on. Okay, trying to get this sheet of OSB up on the table so I can cut out a corner of it, but I need to get this piece out of the way for now. That's a little bit of MDF board. This is some 5/8. That's a piece of 5/8 OSB board. I'm trying to get up here. Okay, and then I'll rig up a saw and I'll cut that corner out, I think. That corner over there, I'll cut out in just a minute. So I need a piece 30 by 21. Let's cut it out of this side closest to the camera. And then I just got to make sure that table underneath there won't get cut in two. Yeah, I think we're okay. Let's try this. Well, okay, so it does fit, but I had to notch out. That's an extra piece of cleat. Actually, there's two pieces of cleat over here, French cleats. I had to notch out part of this cleat because it was protruding through too far and I couldn't get this backed up enough. So let me get a nail gun, kind of straighten that out a little bit and shoot that with a nail gun, if I can find it. Okay, glasses on again. Battery's dead. That's usually the case. See if I can find, oh, there's one that's charged up. This one's charging? Yep, that one's charging too. Okay. That's weird. All the batteries. It's been cold out here, but I didn't think that all the batteries would be dead. That's better. That's what you get for thinking, I guess. Okay. So from now on, it's just going to be more of the same thing for a little bit until I get the rest of this OSB up.